Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Sweet theorem. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We know the range of cosine is about from negative number 1 and 1. Next, we multiply with 3x to the power of 4 in both sides. Next, we put this one in here, here, and here. We know when x approach to number 0, this one go to 0. Similar for this one. So after we calculate this one 0 and 0, so we can say that this one will go to 0 too, because they swing on the left and on the right, so this in the center there should be 0. That's the end. Thank you for watching.